Here I have VIVO Y17 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to this lower bar like this, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can just switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here, you can set up a schedule for it, like you can allow it to interrupt like calls from specific contacts, from everyone, so from favorite contacts. The same goes for messages. You can also enable these repeated calls. When enabled, the second incoming call from the same caller within 3 minutes will not be muted. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.